Hello, tech enthusiasts.
Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we explore and review the latest gadgets that make your tech life easier. Today, we've got something every MacBook user needs: the SiliconV MacBook Pro charger replacement. But before we dive into this essential replacement charger, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our reviews of must-have tech like this. Let's kick things off with the basics. This charger is designed for Mac Pro 13 laptops after 2012 with models A1425 and A1502. It's got an input of AC 100 to 240 V, 50 to 60 Hz, and an output of District of Columbia 16.5 volts rated 3.65A. If you own a MacBook with one of these models, you're in luck. This charger is built just for you. But wait, there's more. This charger is compatible with a range of MacBook models, including MacBook Pro 13 inches like MGX72, MGX82, MGX92, and many more. And it doesn't stop there. It also works with MacBook Air 11 inches and 13.3 inches, like MD223, MD224, and more. Now, here's a nifty feature: LED lights that provide status info. An amber light lets you know when your notebook is charging, while a green light tells you that you've got a full charge. It's a handy visual indicator that keeps you in the know about your MacBook's battery status. But what really sets this charger apart is its intelligent recognition chip. When your MacBook is fully charged, it automatically cuts off the power, so you don't have to worry about overcharging. Your MacBook's battery will thank you for this extra layer of protection. Let's talk about build quality. This charger boasts a high-quality copper core wire that's not only safe but also fast. The tinned copper core wire allows the T-tip wire to bend as needed. And the T-tip magnetic connector ensures a quick and secure connection. It's all about durability and speed, giving you a reliable charging experience. Lastly, we have the T-type power cord. This 5-pin 60W Mac Pro charger comes with a super suction T-tip interface that's easy to attach and detach. It's all about convenience and efficiency. Charging your MacBook has never been this hassle-free. And there you have it, the SiliconV MacBook Pro charger replacement, your go-to solution for reliable and efficient MacBook charging. If you found this review helpful and are ready to step up your MacBook charging game, don't forget to hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and, of course, subscribe for more exciting tech reviews. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring the world of amazing gadgets. Until then, keep your devices powered up and tech-tastic with us.